You're the flying high.
What's up, y'all? Doing this unboxing, so I ain't got to answer to nobody for nothing at any time about what came in the box and what didn't. So you're seeing me open a FedEx box right here, right now. I almost have to do it with one hand, but I'm not doing it. Okay. I cut myself. I think I cut myself. Ain't that crazy? So you saw me open it. Wow. Bye. Me opening it. This is from eBay. So it came in the box. Okay? How it came in the box. It's the WF33. That's how it came in the box. Alright. So the goodies. I might do a voiceover on this because I don't want to show everything, but under 250 grams, GPS return, HD camera, and a Dolby controller, the WF33. Yeah, I like this bag, man. This is the Wefone WF33. It's a nice little carrying case. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed because my little carrying case for my phone decided it wants to act up, so I know I don't have that much weight on this phone, so let's try this. Y'all bear with me. I'm gonna open it up, pull it out, and go from there. Alright, y'all, here we go. This is what's in the bag. It's the controller. You know what it is, I gotta do this one-handed. If I can. Bear with me. Alright, y'all, this is what came in the box. This is the Wefone WF33. You got the drone, you got a nice display controller, some extra props, screws in the bag, little screwdriver, charging port cord, and 2 batteries. Notice the drone does not have a battery inside, so those are the 2. There's only 2, not 3. And I'm gonna charge it up and let y'all know what's going on. We're gonna take it outside next time the weather clears up. And thank you, eBay. Thank you to the seller. This is WF33 from Wefone. God bless. It's your man TJ from Wings of Love Tech, sorry. We out. Alright, this is your man TJ from Wings of Love Tech. And we are gonna look at the controller and the droid a little bit closer. Nice display. Has some what looks like to be antennas. I don't know if they're real or not. Can you guys tell if there's anything coming from these? I don't know if they're real. I don't think they are. They're recording there. Let me know in the comments if you have a controller like this and has a USB charge on the side. Thank the Lord for that. On the bottom, we have the controller knobs. Haven't taken those out yet. Haven't taken the screen protector off of there. There's an OK on the side, a return button, up and down buttons. You have your up and down, your in front and bottom camera. You have your return to home or GPS, your on and off button, your emergency stop, and your takeoff and land button. On the back, you have your speed button, your speed scroll, and your angle of your camera scroll. Okay, that's your antennas. If they turn in, and you can put it on top of each other, but I don't know how to do that just yet, so I'm gonna learn that and go from there. Then you have your drone. Your drone does not have a place for a SD card. Your gimbal seems like the 2-axis or no gimbal at all, but it's supposed to be 4K as well. Your power button. I'm gonna put a battery in a minute. And you see your wingspan and everything, and doesn't look too bad. Feels kind of solid, y'all. See your lights on the bottom, your green lights on the bottom, your red lights on the bottom, and looks like your optical flow sensor and good base for your landings. Your batteries also have a USB port. See that? And then drop everything. Another USB port. So this is what came in the box, y'all. Everything is here. I paid money myself. Nobody sent this to me. Wefone did not sponsor this. So next time you see this drone, it will be in the air. This is your man TJ from Wings of Love Tech, and we'll see you soon.
On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love. On the wings of love, only the two of us together.